Is it true in the way, for example, belief in God is true? Because for most of human history, people have believed in a god or multiple gods, and that seemed very true to them as an explanation for the way the world is. Some of the deeper questions about life itself and the human condition and why certain things happen. That was a good explainer. So to you, that's not an illusion.
No, I think that was completely an illusion. I think it was a very, very reasonable illusion to be under. There are illusions. There are, substantive claims about the world that go beyond predictions that we can make and verify, which later turned out to be wrong. And the existence of God was one of them. If those people at that time had abandoned their belief in God and replaced it with a mechanistic universe, they would have done just as well at understanding things, right? Again, because there's so many things they didn't understand, it was very reasonable for them to have that belief. It wasn't that they were dummies or anything like that. But that is, as we understand the universe better and better, some things stick with us, some things get replaced.